Alright, y'all, we are back. Week 3 against the Panthers. Week 1, we lost to the Falcons. Week 2, we beat Tom and the Bucks. I thought we were going to win that Falcons game, no lie. If you watch those two, thank you for watching. Thank you for clicking this one. If you didn't watch those two, go back, watch the Bucks one. If you don't want to watch the first one, that's alright. I lost. We're on all Madden competitive with the Saints, who are like not good in Madden at all. See that guy right there, Michael Thomas? He's gone. Jarvis also gone. Michael Thomas, he's gone because I don't think he's worth keeping. We can get more for him than keeping him. And then Jarvis is gone because I tried to give him a contract while I wasn't recording and he did not like it. Nice throw. Nice throw, nice throw. Alright, dude. Traquan Smith had a insane game last week. See if he can do something this week. Dude, he's on one, bro. He's ready to be a number 1, dude. He's tired of being number 2 behind Michael Thomas. Callaway got to show me something. He had a few good receptions the first 2 weeks, but he's got to show me something because I don't know. I don't know what I would even get for him, but there's replacements can be found. Ooh, JC, wanna get out of here? Ugh, that's stiff arm. I left him down bad. Andy and James obviously are gone. We don't know which rookie quarterback we're gonna pick, but in I think episode 2, I got us into the good rounds. I got us into the top 3, I think. Top 3 picks. I said the good rounds. Sorry, I was focused on the play. I got us into the good picks though. I got us like a top 3, I think. So we're gonna be able to pick up a quarterback. I was looking at the rookies a little bit. I'm kind of stuck. I think that's what I might go for. Is I might get rid of I think I'm gonna get rid of DeMario. I think DeMario, this is gonna be his last season for the Saints. Get rid of DeMario, get another 1st and 2nd round pick out of him, hopefully, from somebody. Pick up that quarterback from Bama, Young, and then probably grab him. I want Trenton Simpson also because he's pretty good. Out of Clemson, nice fast linebacker. Played with Isaiah Simmons. You know he's fast. You know they got the same probably play style. Linebacker from Oregon. What's his name? The little brother of the guy on the Lions. I think Noah. Or is it? I don't remember which one he is, but dude, he's nice too. I was thinking about picking him up instead of Trenton Simpson, but I don't think he's going to be as fast. See, then I had this idea to keep Tyrann, push Marshawn back to safety, and let them just be the defensive captains with DeMario and Cam gone, and just kind of help my defense not get shit on. But I'm thinking actually I'm gonna leave him there and I'm gonna pick up Battle from Bama, like a 2nd round pick. He looks nice. Yeah, I was going for it. Nine receptions, 224 yards, dude. What a start. What a start. Let's just keep it going. That's got to be like leading receiver numbers in the league. Got to be. Probably not. Justin Jefferson maybe had a better game. I could see a few guys having better games than what he had, but dude, you got to be playing good to have a better game than what he's been having. Week 1, not so much, but I think I didn't use him enough week 1. I didn't realize what he was trying to do. I didn't realize he was trying to shit on everybody this season. And as far as quarterback situation currently before the draft, it's looking like Andy's our guy for now, because Jameis went in and threw some picks and lost that game against the Falcons for us. So, I mean, I threw them, but it was Jameis. It wasn't me. It was Jameis. So, who knows? Crazy. Just Andy Dalton keeps his spot. Oh, Olave's out of there. See, do I just take the hit right there? It was my juke, right? I don't know. Y'all let me know some rookies and whatnots in the comments, because, I mean, I'm not having a hard time finding them, but I would like to know who else, which ones y'all know that I don't. Because I know there's guys I'm sleeping on. Our O-line's looking like it's going to be solid. Like, if I pick up one O-lineman, like a second-round O-lineman, maybe. If I can even get a first-round, bro, that'd be fucking crazy. But probably a second-round O-lineman. Oof. I should have threw that up. That was my bad. Oh, shit. Good catch. Dude, he's super reliable right now. I can't even, like, I'm honestly mind blown how some of the catches he's catching. Like, dude, where is this coming from? He's just solidifying that Michael Thomas will not be suiting up for us when he's good. Let's see what we can do here. Easy. Touchdown. I wanted to hit Olave on that, but that's alright. Yeah, I wanted to hit Olave on that little out route, but they both jumped with that, so I had to send it the other way. No good, no good. We'll get it on the next one. Oh wait, that was the second one. Never mind. We won't get it on the next one. Kick a field goal if we want to get right. Yeah, I don't know. We were up 2 scores last week and then got into a little shootout with Tom at the end. Kind of scary. We had great ball control. Kept the ball for like 4 minutes, almost 3 minutes. So, let's go, Werner. Werner had a great game too, dude. I was thinking he was gonna be one of the guys that was going, but as of right, he had a good game last week. That's where I'm at with him. He had a good game last week. Let's see what he does this week, and we'll go from there. These numbers kind of throw me off now. I don't know who's playing what. We got like big safety. We got a big linebacker or a big safety or a little linebacker right here. I'm assuming he's a linebacker. He's been there every play, but oof. There's no quarterbacks in the league that I would like want. I mean, Lamar is the free agent next year, I think, right? I would take Lamar. All right, good return. That's like best return of the season so far. Dude, what a start. Man. Out of nowhere, too. Who, if you watched from episode 1 to episode 3, who thought Traquan Smith was going to be the star receiver so far for the season? Oh, big smack. Good route. Dude, so that's to bring up a whole new question. If we do make it and or if we make a playoff push, does Andy leave? Do we cut Andy or do we keep Andy? It's up 4th and 2. Fuck out of here, bro. Good breakup. Man, bro. See, this is where I be fucking up. I'm giving a dumb points right here. It's free 3 points for them because they're gonna kick their little field goal unless we get a pick. Dude, what do you guys think about Baker though? Baker just eating on the Rams. Probably gonna be around there, right? I know. Oh, I seen it too. I seen it. Dude, I seen it, bro. I seen the screen and everything. I just didn't get there in time. They ran screens in a row. Look, they're taking my plays. I do that. What the fuck? That's not cool, bro. Let's get on this. Sheesh. Talking about free 3. That's a free 6. Free 7 on my, or about to be, because I don't know how to punt. Sorry. We got a minute. Oh, we could go up another 2. 5 for 5 from Sam on that drive. Okay. Nice drive. Guy's keeping his spot. I ain't gonna lie. Shaheed, that kick returner, he's keeping his spot. John Ross being a free agent, his spot was at risk. But he's had pretty good returns. He hasn't had any too bad ones, I think. I don't think he's had anything that was too bad. I don't know. I'm having a lot of hope for all these guys, and they're probably about to start duking on me because I'm saying so much good things. Yeah, thank you. I honestly don't believe that should have been a PI, but whatever. Yeah. I ran into them. I don't know. If I was losing, I would have liked it. Yep. Keep going, buddy. Fuck with you. Let's see how they like that little screen shit that they were doing to me. I got the Screen King, bro. Oh, they're about to fuck me up. Yep. Made 1 yard on that. We got 1 play action play. Or not play. Stupid. We got 1 wide receiver screen. Get up there. You're alright, bro. Now I'm doing too much and I'm thinking he's like fucking Odell. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Everybody get to the line, get to the line. 1 second. Let's go. Whew. Good shit. Oh, dude, this is ugly. Middle, high, low. Trying to spread. Do. Uh-oh. This one could get... Oh, they right there. PI. Dude, no way. Another PI? Let's go. Accept. Alright, I'm trying to force it too much. Let's go. Yes, sir. And we scored right before half. 19-7. We are up. Boom. Nice little first down. 2 rushes, 19 yards. That can't keep up. Shit. What's up, Courtney? Let's go. Put in some work, bud. Yeah, whatever, bro. Oh no, we're sending dogs. Send the dogs. Ooh. Dude. If he made it in that. Damn, 2 rushes, 12 yards? Bro, we got a 6 and a 10-yard rushing average against us right now. Dude, what the fuck? Who? Who's that? Fuck that. Send the blitz on that. We get him. We wrapping these boys up today. Never mind. Dude, I'm shook. That's not how I expected those runs to go. They're in every play of this drive. Sheesh. Damn it, bro. Sam's trying to dart us right now. Let's go. Let's get a pick right here. Let's end this shit. No good. Oh yeah, we got it. 3rd and goal, dude. If we hold this to a field goal, I'll take it, bro. I'd be happy. Oh shit. Damn it, dude. Werner, you're cut. That was it, bro. That was it. You had your moment, bro. That was your That was your moment to shine, dude. Stop the touchdown right there, and you don't get cut. Better get a fucking. I need to see an interception, a pick, and a sack in the same play out of you, bro. If you want to be still on this team. Yeet. Oh, I was getting ready to go. Let's show some ball control here. We still got a whole quarter to go, so we need to put up another touchdown. Fact. Good way to start. Oh shit. I pump faked on accident. That's not good. That is not good at all. This big ass tight end better do something. Oh, come on, dude. What the fuck? That ain't it, bro. That is not it. Boot that bitch. What? Where is this going? That's okay. The 19, I'll take it. Alright, y'all. I'm back. We're gonna dedicate the rest of this one. This win's gonna go to our boy Waslow. Let's go. Good play, good play. We dedicating this one, this last quarter of this dub to our boy Waslow. He's the best pup you could have asked for. That was a human, man. Dude, nice catch. That shit, bro. They need to put somebody on top of him, bro. That ain't gonna. Let's just get that. Oh shit! I just want to get that ball out of there. That was about to get ugly. Let's go. Second and long. Oh shit! Not in the backfield. Get a yard. Give me something. All right. I'll take it. A yard. Secure catch, easy peasy. Our guy Trequan is going nuts. Continuing to go nuts. Easy, dude. It's like he's, I don't even know. May change this shit or something. Madden devs or fans or something, because he is on some shit. That's at first we needed. Let's Keep it going. Injury timeout. Damn, bro, they put you back in. He got hurt already once in this game, bro. He's gone there, dude. His leg's probably about to fall off. He got hurt twice in the same game. I ain't never seen that shit. 3 yards. Dude, Alvin, bro. I don't want to say it. Dude, I don't want to say it yet. It's too early in the season to say it, but you might be on the block with everybody else, dude. Yo, shout out Duke Deuce. I'm gonna have a video of me playing card with them or something soon. Y'all gonna see. Nah. This is a easy one. We just gotta control the clock. We've done that pretty well so far. Ooh, 4th and 1. We just kick the field goal. Save our offensive guys. We don't want to get nobody hurt. Bam, put us up 2 scores. No one's getting hurt on offense. Let's keep it moving. I'm really just worried DeMario or Tyron's gonna get hurt before I can get anything for them. If one of them gets hurt, a lot of my plans are tore up. I wish Drew didn't retire because last year that was my move when I would do our rebuilds. Is Drew would go and I would get a lot for Drew, and then. But this year it's like taking a lot of the key like playmakers out of the way. I mean, I know Drew played good, made a lot of plays, but these guys are like out there making tackles and. Jesus, dude, what kind of timing is this, bro? We don't pick this? Thank you. Oh my, are you serious? Marshall, bro, where he's cut too. He's going. He's gone, bro. I'm done. Oh. Come here. Got him. Let's go. I can't believe he just dropped that pick. Oh, that was a game ender right there. Get back. Whatever, bro. Alright. Go to sleep. We don't want to get dusted on this. What? Oh my jeez, dude. Sam and these guys are trying us right now. You better get your... Oh my god, dude. PI? Oh, he went out of bounds before he caught the ball. Okay. So was that a touchdown then? Was that been a touchdown, or did they give them a penalty even though he caught it out of bounds? That'd be kind of weak. Oh, that's big. That's a big honey badger. Let's go. That's game. Good shit, bro. Got the dub for our boy. Definitely ain't gonna need it out. That is not what we would. No. Come on, let's go. Yeah. Run whatever you guys want. That's cool. Dropping back. Go. Bomb on him. That's alright. I really don't want nobody on offense getting hurt, but dude, we are not going out like that. What the fuck we look like? Oof. Andy Dalton, broken legs. 4th and 13. Let's get a big hit on this punt. Let's smack it, guys. Come on, let's boom him. Damn it, didn't boom him. That's alright. Get him, man. Go deep. Pick this shit off. No good. That's game, bro. We did that shit. Big dub. not too bad. They had about the same completion rate, 61, 62. He did beat me with that. What did Michael Thomas do? Why did he get a player upgrade? Alright. Well, nice week 3 game. Even with the bad news in the middle of the game, we still clutched it out for our guy. We got the Vikings next week. If you watched the first 2 videos in this one, thank you. If you haven't watched the first 2, go watch that one. If you're already at the end of this one without watching the first 2, thank you again, but you gotta watch those first 2, close ones, good games. We made some roster moves. Let's go see what's going on here. Manage roster. What are we going to do? Let's see if we can get Mr. Thomas out of there yet. Nope. Yeah, as soon as he's able to go, he's gonna be gone. He probably won't hit the field at all. Trade deadline's turned off, so week 12 still be able to trade. He's gonna be a goner. Chris Harris Jr. clutch pick week 1. I want to say he got a good pick. Tyrann Mathieu. Look at our draft picks. So round 1. Look, our draft picks are not looking good. And I don't want to get rid of our guys before we make a run for picks, you know. I get rid of DeMario and Alvin right now. We don't make a run with picks, or I get rid of them later. We do make a run and still get the picks. So, alright, we're gonna advance the week and check out who got the player rewards this week, and then we'll see y'all in episode 4. Let's go to stats and awards. 31st. Oh man. Oh man. That's ugly. Ooh, so we got no Saints still. That's alright. Okay with me. It's risky. Alvin's a big part of our running game right now, so if we drop him, shit. The only thing I could think of, okay, I'm gonna try one play right now that I would like, I wouldn't be mad at, because I know they have 2 first-round picks, because I already got one of them. Now, let me get, he's only a 67. Wow. I almost want him. Yeah, I'm gonna accept that invite when I get out of this. Actually, no. We got a little celebrity appearance real quick from Tizzard. Yo, what's poppin', fam? I'm recording a YouTube video right now. Say what's up. Celebrity appearance. But don't look like you can hear me. Let's get this one figured out real quick. Alright, well, never mind on that appearance from Tizzard. We can't figure out how to get my audio or his audio in here. I don't know. See, nah, she's only at 84. Okay. They got, oh shit, is that, oh, that's next season. Wait, then which one do the Bills have that I was trying to get? Oh, they traded? Something happened. They traded because they had the first round pick. They had the number 1 pick. Something happened. Alvin, round 1, pick 1. Dude, see, that leaves me without a running back. I can't do that straight up like that. Benny Snell. He was not bad back today. Let's just try it. See what happens. Yeah, no. Yeah, no. Not happening. Number 1 needs QB. You want Jameis? Yeah, nah. Benny Snell. I can't take Benny Snell. Who's got some solid backup running backs? That's gonna be the end of the video. I know I keep trying to end it, but we need a solid AJ Dillon. I don't think he ain't bad. I get AJ Dillon and a draft pick from you guys. What's your guys' picks looking like? Round 1, pick 31. Oh, that's the second to last pick, bro. And they want it. Of course they do. Okay. Left end. Nope. Right end. See, that's our new guy. I gotta change him to left end. I'm already getting rid of him. Yeah. Throw this guy in there. Yeah, I'm trying way too hard to get rid of Kamara, I think. I should just keep him. It's too hard to get rid of him. Yeah. Alright, last time I'm pausing it, bro. We're figuring out this trade right here. We got DeAndre Swift in the first round, Alvin Kamara and Jameis Winston, and they almost won it. I don't know. I already gave up picks for next season. But, like, dude, that means if this season goes bad, it's a wrap. Because I have nothing to pick with next season, and I won't have players. Let's see if they take this. Dude, that's crazy to see, but had to happen. Had to happen, and we are in the first round now twice. So, Jameis had to go. We got a backup for Andy Dalton. I'm not worried about Taysom having to start if Andy Dalton gets hurt. Receiving 205. Let's see how that stacks up against the rest of the NFL. That's probably not a leader, but it's close. Traquan Smith. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He's 6th. 2 yards behind Juju. That's trash. So that's gonna change. We're gonna get our guy in the top 5 with this next game. But I'm gonna end it right there. Again, thanks for watching. If you haven't watched the first ones, make sure you go click on those. Those videos are crazy. Has some close-ass games, good roster moves. If you're on the TikTok, D1 Gaming, all the yard clips and everything go up on there. Those are insane. They don't even look real. But, alright, catch y'all on episode 4. We got the Vikings next. We got Jeddah. See y'all on the next one.